Well, as we did with the glove, we are going to start adding some extra details on our boot. We are going to do everything with tools you have already learned. The first thing is that we are going to increase some subdivisions until reaching the top, and by means of the max tool and the lasso option, we are going to generate a fat stroke like the one we are going to see. Okay, done. It's better. We will make the line more solid. It looks much thinner, and again we will blur it again. This to make the line look much more even. We will invert, and then with the tool inflate, this one, we will give it a value of 2 to generate a small level here. With this we don't make our object look so flat. Let's smooth out in case you see this type of irregularities. Well, we already have another piece, and using the same method we will add a line here. In this case it will be done with the rectangular tool. Let's put it here. Soften this line. Now we are going to generate some extra traces, some lines like this one, but we are no longer going to use the damn standard brush and lazy mouse option, but we are going to do it with the mask. We are going to generate a line here and another one up here. We are going to blur it, invert, and in this case we are going to make an inflate but inward. In this case of -3. We can blur a little in case the edges have become very stiff. We max here first and soft. The same thing up here. And now we are going to fix a little more here. We are going to do the mask again, but in this case, to make it easier, we are going to lower some subdivisions. 4 might be okay. We blur it again a little, and in this case we don't use the option inflate, but with the brush we will make this shape a little more irregular. With Move, we can organize the form a little bit more. And that's it. We already have one more piece. And again, we increase the subdivisions, and we will make a feature that the boots of our concept have, which is this line. We are going to make the line we can use for this the stroke option. I mean the lazy mouse option, to give us much more precision. We started from this line that we already had here. We come down here, we stop here. I would like to do this with a single line, but since the view is not going to allow me, I will have to make small fragments of the layout. This line here, for example. And that's it. We already have another line that's just a bit crooked, but to avoid having to do another part of the line again, we can simply lower some subdivisions, and with the Move brush we can organize the form. Okay, I do think that show it works. Finally, we're going to do two things. The first is that, for example, we're going to fix this curvature here, which doesn't look very good, lowering some subdivisions, protect this area, and we are going to curve this better, in a better way. And done. The second thing to do is to make use of exactly the same noise tool we use for the glove and give some texture for this piece here. Let's blur it a little. Remember to increase the subdivision level to the maximum so that noise quality is not affected in the least, and that is the best that can be obtained. Let's go to Noise, Surface. Just like it is by default to me, I think it's fine. You can try other kind of noise of other sizes. I will leave it here with this one. And apply this here, let it be completely engraved. As you can see, this technique with the lazy mouse option and the damp standard brush is very good for making very defined lines. It allows to give you traits in a very fast way so that it looks better and doesn't look so saturated. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next. See you!